salamin. Diba? Pwede bang ano yun? Sige, sample.
Yeah, I know kasi matagal na. I've been following BINI since yung beginning stage pa lang nila. But really, one interview that I enjoyed the most is the Karen Davila interview. Kasi on this interview, I kind of like learned them more. Especially yung tumanting talaga sa puso ko is that when they said that one of their members' family passed away. And then they need to notify them via Zoom. Tsaka during pandemic, it's just really, really sad. But since then on, I love BINI after that. Also, I get the time to enjoy the show, but I also like to see the people behind the scene. So there's a lot of booth over there, especially TFC. And we got invited with TFC to do a glam bot with them. It's super, super cute kasi the people behind it, they're just so, so nice. I'll show you guys a little bit clip. Shoutout sa mga hindi nakakanood! Shoutout sa mga hindi nakakanood! Welcome! The behind the crew people! Sorry, that's BINI, I know. Salamin, 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 salamin! Yung mga hindi nakakanood! Let's go! Also the Bantay Bata. The Bantay Bata and in myself, I'm very big with volunteerism. So I got to take this opportunity to help our Filipino Sagip Kapamilya and Bantay Bata people to sell some merchandise din naman. Bantay Bata is a non-profit organization. They are also connected to ABS-CBN. And one thing about Bantay Bata is they make sure that in the Philippines that this child gets their protection they need. Philippines is not America that they have this specific agency just to make sure that kids are being protected. In the Philippines, it's a third world country and Bantay Bata is leading the way in terms of helping these kids be protected.
Okay.
Hey! Mom, that's sobrang bongga, that's so bagay to you. I love it. No, you're still fresh. What do you mean? Yes, guys, we're doing Sagip Kapamilya right now. Yeah. We're doing Sagip Kapamilya with Ate. Every shirt is only $20. Perfect! Yes! Konti na lang. Hey, boss, it's only 20 bucks. It's a good cause. It's for a good cause. Ate! Ito si Ate talaga, she's doing her best to support the Sagip Kapamilya. This is different. Yeah, this is so nice. Thank you so much for supporting Bantay Bata. I love it. You guys are the best. My family is so excited about this. My mom is big a Sharon Cuneta fan.
Saan kayo pupunta? Punta kami sa Ontario.
Ontario? Sino kikitain nyo doon?
Si BINI.
BINI. Sino kikitain? Sino inaabangan nyo doon?
Sharon Cuneta.
Sino inaabangan mo doon?
Wala, me myself.
Oh my God, we're excited
Sino yung inaabangan mo doon?
Kim Chu.
Wait, I wanna go next. I'm excited to see Sharon Cuneta.
What's your favorite Sharon Cuneta song?
Mr. DJ.
Sample.
Mr. DJ, can I make a request?
Mama, are you excited?
Yeah?
Sino ang inaabangan mo doon?
Bini.
Bini! Team Bini! Sinong bias mo? Kuya, sinong inaabangan mo doon?
Hindi alam mo na. Oh. Bini, syempre.
Ayun guys, nakit narinig nyo na yung mga inaabangan nila. Siyempre, walang nagtanong sa akin. Of course, ang inaabangan ko si Tony Fowler. Ay, pero wala ata si Tony Fowler doon. So, Team Bini din tayo. Yeah.
Sharon Cuneta.
Sharon Cuneta.
P.S. I love you.
Cuneta?
Sharon Cuneta. P.S. I love you.
P.S. I love you. Top it down. Ano favorite song yun ng Sharon Cuneta?
Baby, dear heart.
Dear Heart. Sample.
Dear heart, ikaw raw ay batang bata.
Ay, feeling. Tinalo ako. Papatalo ba naman ang mama mo? P.S. I love you. Sample.
P.S. Mahal naman kita.
O, to Sharon yan. To Sharon. Kobe-an.
And Gabi Concepcion.
O, di pa patalo?
Mr. DJ. Mr. DJ, can I make a request? Para love song go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it. Palapaan pa Kobe-an. Sinong hinahanap mo?
Kiko, sa Senado.
Ah, si Kiko. Ano ba't si Kiko yung hinahanap? Piche. Tawan-tawa sila. Benta ka doon. May entry na naman siya. Kiko palang entry.
Yeah.
For today's video, inabonohan ko na. Tita Wela, inabonohan ko na, no? Habang naghihintay pa naman kami dito, no? Walang mga kalaban sa atin. Walang mga kapigil sa atin for today's video. Isang glass lang. Sapat na to. Thank you, Tita Wela. Inabonohan ko na, Tita Wela, ha? I love you, Tita Wela. Inabonohan ko na po. Salamat po. Cheers! Ay, sorry na dun sila. Okay, may kapatid. Diyan yung magkapatid. Cheers! Feels so good.
6,
29!
1, 2, 3, go! Okay, green. B is silent shining up. Okay. And the second kapamilya going home with a $500 gift card is
Favorite Asa Star.
Let me just run down.
Say hi. Say hi. Hi. interaction with Sharon Cuneta and also Jolina Magdangal. Oh my gosh, it's a shock. And then grabe si Ann Curtis din. Grabe yung performance ni Ann. In unexpected naming lahat yon. The crowd was so very wild during her performance. Ang lala.
Sabi niya daw pinapamukha, hindi pinapaputok.
Len!
I feel like you put so much. No, you're supposed to put that picture. It's like a mask.
Yeah.
It's like a
Video and
after racing after.
Picture and video.
Tonight. I told you. Just rinse it up like after an hour.
Tapos, hindi, kailangan tapusin namin yung application niya. Para makuha
You
niya
gotta
yung
put it on your nose, bro. Come here. Ito mo na.
You're so funny.
Ito mo na, right?
You're so funny.
Oh.
Agay, this is too much.
There you go. Tawa-tawa ka.
Let's finish your application, my dear.
No matter what you do, there's always talking blah blah blah. Baby, now you know. Holding hands and lips, kiss and cheeks, talking loud about your eyes on the box. Go! Baby, love all we do. Let's never love you.
Ilang beses na ito'y humihingi, di na mabilang ang ating mga tutuhan. Away ba di natin namamalayan?
Ma'am, sa sobrang bonggang-bongga na so bagay to you. I love it. No, you're still fresh. What do you mean? Yes, guys, we're doing Sagip Ka Pamilya right now. Yeah. We're doing Sagip Ka Pamilya with Ate. Every shirt is only $20. Perfect! Yes! Konti na lang. Hey, boss, it's only $20. It's a good cause. It's for a good cause. Ate! Ito si Ate talaga, she's doing her best to support the Sagip Ka Pamilya. This is different. Yeah, this is so nice. Thank you so much for supporting Bantay Bata. I love it. You guys are the best.
Thank you.
Introduce ourselves. 2, 3. Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Stacy. Hi, I'm Mika. Hi, I'm Sheena. Hey everyone, it's Aya. Hi, I'm Malay. I'm California. I'm Colette. Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. What's up? It's Joanna. Thank you so much po. Alam niyo po, it was...
Shoutout sa mga hindi nakakanood. Shoutout sa mga hindi nakakanood. Welcome. The behind the crew people. Sorry, that's Beanie, I know. Salamin, 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 salamin. Yung mga hindi nakakanood. Let's go. Hey babe, that's the house. It is 10:22. I'm wearing my underwear, wearing the Crocs. All the bags are secured, and I am home safe with 0 voice. Love you and thanks for thinking of me, baby. Guys, I'm home safe. Hindi ko na kinaya. Nakapanty na lang ako.